evening in the Philippines. Today is what is today? Today's Wednesday, March 4th. And once again, before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments, statement made, or any statement made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So I got that out of the way. In terms of economic news, let's see if I can get it over here. My mouse is kind of acting weird. It's right here in terms of economic news. And there you have it. We had the FOMC, which was yesterday. Here we had some we have OPEC meetings right now going on. We had the ADP non-farm employment change. We have the ISM that's coming up, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, red folder, so that's around 11 p.m. here in the Philippines. Other than that, I don't expect anything else. So let me get this out of the way. So here comes, we already have the opening. And what we have here, naked chart here, we're going up, basically bouncing off the, we call the VWAP. You can see going up here, it's continue going up. There's the VWAP bouncing off, so we're expecting this to continue going up until maybe it's going to test this high here and maybe come back down and do a correction, right? We're going to do a correction. We're looking at maybe down all the way down to, if you look in this retrace, right? Probably looking at it around, right around here, right on here. Okay, so we'll look at that if it does come down. So let me put this back. So we're looking at basically long trades unless it changes. So with that said, this one I'm trading the micro E-minis. Our goal is maybe 30 bucks, 2 contracts. Volume is pretty, or volatility is pretty good. So we might get more than that. We'll probably get maybe 100. 100 would be okay. So with that said, I'm gonna put this on mute and I'll talk to you guys later. So that's the news event that's coming through. So let's see what I have here. Management trading better, but 25. This is what I'm looking at right now. So I just need one more trade. Like I said, my goal is 30. You can easily get that. We'll see what happens here in terms of the news. Let me put this back on mute. In 14 cents in that trade you just saw. I don't know, this might be going up. We have a double bottom here, so get this back on mute. Okay, that should be my last trade. This commission I had to basically fix. So last trade was basically 160. So made 185. If I'm looking at this with the correct commission, so let me see here. Total commissions here is going to be approximately 3680, right? So 36.8. Add that to total profit here is what? 185.70. 222.50. That's my gross. My net would be out of 5 trades. My commission there is on the micro would be 0.62 times 2 equals that 24 times 5. $6.20. So minus $6.20. 216.30. That's my total. My commission is $1.21 $1.21 per $1.24 per trade here, because I have 2 contracts. So basically per contract is 61 cents per contract times 2, so it's $1.24. So I made it 216.30. Good, pretty good for micro minis with 2 contracts. So that said, I'm going to end it for today, or for this evening. Tomorrow I'll be on the road. I'm going to Baguio. Hopefully I get some good. In fact, I have a webinar with my students again from our Clark GMC. So I'll be doing their live data, basically live market trade. So hopefully I'll be trading tomorrow after that webinar, and I have a good internet connection up in Baguio. Most likely I'll be trading the regular E-minis. Okay. So you guys have a nice evening. Talk to you guys tomorrow, probably late after my webinar. And God bless. Take care.